Hello Mango, welcome back to our 30 days sub-purpose of Pilates journey with moving Mango. And today's session will be a restorative flow to help you recover and reflect on your progress so far. We are going to cover all the gentle Pilates stretch and strengthen so that we can take this time to rest in gratitude. And for exclusive content for Mango Crush members, this week I created a full body fat burn flow targeting all the major muscles of your body. So please join us and become a Mango Crush members if you want this extra bonus content just to make the challenge more fun. And if you're ready, just roll your mat. Let's do this together.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after all.
So let's start by allow yourself to lie down on your back. Keep your arms along the body and bring your feet down on the mat. Open your legs hip width apart. Now pull the belly button all the way in. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale. And inhale again and exhale deeply. We are going to make even breath here just so that it can help to boost up the recovery. Inhale and exhale deeply through your mouth. Relax your shoulders, make a quick scan from head to toes just to check and to make sure that every part of our body is relaxing for this moment, just so that we can get ready into the incoming movements. Take a deep inhalation through your nose and exhale deeply again. Very good. And now from here, we are going to inhale and bring your legs up to tabletop. Press your hands down, palms facing down, heels together, toes apart. Lengthen one leg to the ceiling and lengthen your opposite leg to 45 degrees. Flex your ankles, both the ankles at the same time. Try to bring the toes towards the head and see if you can lengthen your leg all the way. Feel the back of your leg is stretching and point your feet up to the ceiling and flex the ankle again. Do it super slow. Inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale and bring your toes up. And one more time, inhale. And exhale, point your toes up. And rotate your ankles, lengthen your legs and reverse. And we're gonna switch to the opposite side. So left leg up to the ceiling. Now flex the ankle, lengthen your legs as much as you can. Pull the toes towards the chest and point your feet up, your toes up. And exhale, flex the ankle. And inhale, point your foot up. And last one, flex the ankle again. And inhale. And rotate your ankles and reverse. And bend the knees into your chest. Curl your hips up and come back. And 4 more times. Press your knees down, curl your hips up and come back. Relax your shoulders and move from your hips. And 2 more. And last one, exhale. And come all the way back. Rotate the ankle here and reverse. Great. Bring your feet down. Keep your arms along the body. Lift your right leg up. Open that shoulder blades and lift the leg, lift the hips up and lower the hips and hips up and lower. Press your shoulders down, look up to the ceiling. 3 more times to make it 5 each side. And 2. And last one. And switch to the opposite side and do the same thing. Lift up. 5, and 4 and 3. Now listen to your knee. You can bring your foot in a little bit if it's easier for your knee. And last one. That's great. And bring your opposite leg up. Bring your left foot down again. Now this time, lengthen your right leg up to the ceiling. Point your foot. And we are going to lift the hips up. Engage your abs. Just so that you can stabilize your hips. Hold it here. And 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Come all the way back. Same leg, flex the ankle, do the same thing, lift it up. Hold it for 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and lower the hips all the way down. Great job. Let's switch to the opposite side. So left leg, lengthen all the way up. Point your foot and lift the hips up. And keep your hips balanced. Hold it for 5 and 4 and 3 and 2. Press your whole arms down and lower the hips all the way down. Flex the ankle and do the same thing. Lift up and hold for 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Lower the hips all the way down. Great job. Now open your knees for butterfly stretch. Keep your heels closer to the hips. Bring your hands on top of your thighs. Just wiggle your knees from left to right. Wiggle your hips from left to right. Relax and take a deep inhalation through the nose. Exhale deeply through your mouth. Inhale. And exhale. And one more deep breath. And exhale deeply. And bring your legs up, knees up to the ceiling again. Open your legs mat width apart. Open your arm to the side. You can open all the way just so that you can relax the shoulders and press that shoulder blades down on the mat. Now bring your knee to the left and rotate your head to the right. Feel your body twisting and stretching. And just feel more deep breath here before we go to the opposite side. Inhale. And exhale deeply. And inhale again. And exhale deeply. And twist to the other side. So rotate your head. And take deep breaths. Inhale. And exhale deeply again. Relax your shoulders. One more deep breath. And exhale deeply. And bring your legs up back to the center. Bring your hands along the body. Now keep your feet center. Lift the arms up to the ceiling and reach your hands all the way up. Lift the shoulder blades off the mat and press your shoulders down and lift up and down. And 5 more times. And 4 and 3 and 2. Try to reach even further. And last one, reach up and lower and bring your hands all the way down. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Very good. So we are going to rock up to sitting position, and let's start with some stretching here. Open your arms to the side, upper body stretch, and lean on one side. Bend all the way to one side. Reach your hands over. Try to open the chest forward and look forward. Relax your head if you can. And just do it super slow here. Inhale. And then lift the head up again. And bring your arms back to the center. Reach your hands all the way out before we bring your hands down. Great. And open your arms again. Reach all the way and bend to the opposite side. And reach again. Lengthen the spine. Relax your head gently and slowly, only to the point that you feel good with your neck. We want to feel the side of your neck is stretching. And come all the way back. Open your arms sideways. Reach your hands all the way to the sides. And lower your hands all the way down. That's great. All right, so wiggle your hips a little bit. Open your arms sideways. You can sit along the mat if it's easier for you to lengthen the spine. And knees bend, open your legs, open your arms, soften the elbows, rotate your torso to one side, and make sure that you squeeze your butt so that you can keep your hips stabilized. So you can open even more, look all the way to the back of the room so that you can twist a little bit deeper, further, and back to the center. And go to the opposite side and twist and try to look to the back of the room. Open the chest and come all the way back to the center again. One more time each side. Rotate, and with slow pace, rotate even further and reach and come all the way back into the other side. So open and rotate and twist and twist and twist, deepen and further and back to the center. Great job. All right, let's do a little bit quicker pace now, just so that we can get some dynamic stretch in. So open your arms, open your legs, lengthening and flex the ankle, arm to the side again. Now inhale to one side, squeeze your butt. Exhale, round the spine, reach your hands over the opposite pinky toes and come all the way back and go to the other side. Exhale, round the spine and twist and over and over, and one more time, come all the way back and twist to the left, reach all the way to the pinky toe again, reach and reach, round the spine and come back, open and twist, and to the other side, round the spine, reach your bottom hand forward and your upper hand backward, come all the way back, and 3 more times each side. Exhale, round the spine, go further, 1, 2 and 3, come all the way back, sit up tall to the opposite side and reach, and 2 and 3 and come all the way back and center and twist and round, reach all the way over, 2 and 1 and come all the way back, untwist, twist to the other side again and reach and reach and reach and come all the way back. Last one to the left and reach and reach and reach and come all the way back, and last one to the right and reach and reach and reach and come all the way back to the center. Hands down, rotate the shoulders fully to 4 directions and reverse. And that's awesome. Let's come to own for position now. Open your arms, shoulders apart, your legs hip width apart. We are going to rotate your fingers towards each other and press your hands down so your shoulders away from the ears. Look down on the mat. Bend the elbows and lower your torso down. And lift and straighten your arms just to the point that you feel good with your wrist. And lower all the way down. Inhale, lengthening your back. Exhale, lengthen your arms. And inhale, elbows bend, lower your torso again. And exhale, come up. And 2 more. Abs all the way in. And exhale and reach up. And last one. And exhale and come up and rotate your fingers forward. Awesome. Now from here, arch your back and put your shoulders down, look up. And round the spine, chin to chest, cat and cow. Up a little bit more. And come all the way back. Open the chest and shoulders down. Arms in. And round the spine. And come all the way back. And 3 more times here. Open the chest. And round the spine. Now listen to the articulation of your spine. 2 more. Keep breathing. And feel good and grateful for what your body can do. And open the chest, last one. And round the spine. And come all the way back to neutral. Alright, so now we're going to keep your feet all the way to the center. We are going to rotate your shoulders, fully circle, and 5 times in the same direction before we reverse. So 3 more. You can always make a smaller range of motion, smaller circle if you feel like it doesn't feel good on your wrist. And opposite direction now. And circle with your breath. Inhale and exhale. And 2 more. And last one. And back to the center. Awesome. Alright, so we are going to keep your shoulder away from your ears. Lengthen your left leg and your right arm to the opposite direction and come all the way back. Stabilize the hips here, opposite arm and leg. And back to the center. And 4 more times each side. Reach all the way before you go down. Feel like someone pulling your arm away from the shoulder and your leg, your foot away from your hips. Reach and lengthen, come back. And to the right. And come all the way back. And 2 more. Reach and down. And to the right. And come back. And last one. Reach and back to the opposite side. And back to the center. Great job. So we're going to rotate your hips and reverse. Round the spine, look to the knees, and bring your torso down and come to rest pose. Sit down on your heels. You can open your knees a little bit wider if it gives you more space to lower your torso. Round the spine and pull the belly button in, reach your hands forward. Inhale deeply to your nose and exhale. If you can, start to sliding your hands forward and open the chest, lower your body all the way down, just so that you can feel a little more stretching and opening in the chest. You lower your head all the way down, if it's available to you. You also have to rotate your head to one side, do it super slow, and only to the point that you feel good. And rotate your head to the other side and hold, and take a deep breath. And come all the way back to the center and sit up. It's great. Alright, so we are going to sit up and cross your legs. Hands on the knees. Rotate the shoulders fully to 4 directions. And reverse. Take a deep breath and exhale deeply. And 1 more deep breath and exhale. And that's a wonderful work. Take this sense of gratitude with you and thank yourself for the care that you have shown your body. Tomorrow we are going to delve into lower body strength. I hope you have a great day and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Bye!